A lot of people have been asking, what about these Racemasters F1 chassis and how durable are they? What are the aspects of them about, you know, how are they made and everything? Well, first of all, they are a very strong plastic, okay? And your front end, your front wing is very strong. Now, obviously, it all depends on how much crashing you're gonna do. The back wing, it is fixed mounted, it's all molded. It looks like it's all molded in one plastic. Of course, I don't have my glasses, so I can't look at it really closely. So I'm gonna get up real quick while he's filming, and I'll keep on talking really loud so you can hear me, and I'll go get my glasses and come back on this way over here and put my glasses on so everybody can see what I look like. And we're looking at the, now this is item number 22080, and it looks like it was molded. See, that's one mold. That is all one mold, so that's not gonna ever pop off there. Now this is all one mold. The whole thing is one mold. Other than, see right there, that weld center, that is for that. And even the guy is one mold. That's all one mold too. So these are gonna hold up to any punishment that you put them through, okay?
Will they last forever?
They will last forever other than your guide shoes, okay? Holy cow, look at that! Holy moly, ho! Oh, it just dropped again! Holy cow, it's ProTinkerToys.com. And these are the new F1 cars. There's 4 of them now.
How much you want to bet? Somebody's going to buy one. And it's going to fly off the track, and they're going to be like... Oh.
The only way it's going to break is right here. If I can break it if you want me to, but the plastic is pretty durable. Look, see, I'm bending it, and it's not breaking. Now it's molding different. And these are item number 22080, 81, 83, and 84. These are the new F1 cars from Racemasters. Beautiful cars. Just beautiful.